Good afternoon. We are from the group PR1045 and we are presenting our project named Lessening of Carbon Dioxide. At first here we are showing how the carbon dioxide is being generated. That is by the reaction of calcium carbonate with HCl. When we add HCl, as it is being shown, HCl is being added dropwise, some gas is being liberated. When this gas is going from this way into this thing, this is calcium hydroxide, and if there is presence of carbon dioxide and the reaction occurs, the solution turns milky. So on further addition of HCl, it is found that the gas carbon dioxide is being liberated and it is turning milky. As it is being seen, the solution has turned milky. So from here it is concluded that by the reaction of calcium carbonate with HCl, the gas generated is carbon dioxide, which is turning calcium hydroxide milky. Calcium carbonate reacts with HCl and they are giving carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide released from here is passing from this tube over here. In this RBF, we have already placed lithium hydroxide, which on reaction with carbon dioxide liberates lithium bicarbonate solution. So as you can see here, the lithium bicarbonate solution has been formed. Now we are checking by placing an indicator over here whether the gas liberated after reaction with the lithium hydroxide contains carbon dioxide or not. This is the solution of calcium hydroxide. It is a known thing that when calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, it gives a milky solution. So here the solution is not at all milky. So from here we can conclude that the lithium hydroxide have absorbed all the carbon dioxide liberated by HCl reacting with calcium carbonate, and this is not turning milky. Now let us come to the model. The model we have set up on this basis. Let us see what the model contains. As you have seen previously, the reaction of lithium hydroxide with carbon dioxide, that will occur here. Now how and where is this carbon dioxide coming from? So we have made an inlet of air, that is carbon dioxide containing air. How is this carbon dioxide coming here? We have placed a vacuum pump over here and a valve over here. So why do we need a vacuum pump and a valve? Vacuum pump will make the pressure, will create a pressure which will make the air enter here, and through a valve high pressure will be generated from which this whole air containing carbon dioxide will come here. How will we enter this lithium hydroxide? Now lithium hydroxide is entering from here. This is the portion from where lithium hydroxide has been entered. Now this reaction is occurring, the same reaction, that is lithium hydroxide and carbon dioxide are reacting. When this reaction is occurring, as we have already seen, it is giving a solution, which when gets saturated with carbon dioxide, we need to replace it. How do we replace it? We replace it from here. This is the outlet of the solution. How is this outlet? What is this outlet working for? This outlet is taking out all the saturated solution of carbon dioxide. Now, what do we get after this whole reaction has been done? We get air that is free from carbon dioxide. So from where this air will be generated, which is healthier for all of us, this air will be coming out from this portion. So we have set up this apparatus which is very handy and which can be easily placed anywhere where there is a excess amount of carbon dioxide present, like in factories, like in cinema halls. If this setup is placed, this will take out all the carbon dioxide, excess carbon dioxide, and liberate a gas which is free of carbon dioxide. So this was the whole purpose of our experiment, that is lessening of carbon dioxide, making the carbon dioxide contained in the air less so that we can get a healthier breathing, more sufficient air which is full of oxygen and less of carbon dioxide, which is healthier for all of us. So from this model and basing on our reaction with lithium hydroxide adsorbent, we have made this model. Thank you so much.